Fridays as much as I do. And if you do, don't forget to watch Sketch Artist Fridays. Every Friday, tune in. I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life's a craft artist. I hope you're excited. To my channel. My name is I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life is a craft artist. Hope you have a great day today. Today's a cool video for you guys. I'm going to talk to you about Sketch Artist Fridays. What I do every week, what I try to do every week is draw, sketch, color, and ink a drawing every week for you guys. And I'm so excited to talk to you about it in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down there. Don't forget to get the click notifications up there. So let's start sketching. Artist Fridays is for all the art lovers out there who love to draw, who love creating things, who love coloring and inking things the traditional way. I do love computer art a little bit. I have a love-hate relationship with computer art or digital art, but we're going to talk about that in another video. But this video is all about Sketch Artist Fridays. My goal is to get this channel to grow, and we're doing that right now with 200 plus subscribers. I'm happy that you guys watched this video. I'm so excited that we're going to do this video. And Sketch Artist Fridays is a fun way to get you excited about art. And I love going to art stores. I love the art galleries. I love watching artists on YouTube. It's so exciting. So this video is going to be fun for you guys, from the beginner artists to the advanced artists. Who knows what your stage is? You can draw any stage and color any stage and do anything you want to become a better artist. That's my goal. Right now, I'm enrolled back in art school, and I'm so excited to finish the school. Finally, I will be finishing high school. Thank you. I'm doing a whole video series all about it, so hope you enjoy that video. Thank you so much, you guys, and I'll talk to you in another I am Dee Dee's Crafts video. Let's get started on this video and talk about all the things I want to show you and all the sketches I want to show you of my old artwork. Welcome to my sketch diary. The diary of my art. By the way, craft artists, this is not a sketchbook tour. It's just a fun way to get you excited for Fridays, because I love Fridays as much as you do, right? I love Fridays. I'm getting paid on Fridays. So I thought to myself, we're going to draw on Fridays. I love drawing on the weekend, and Friday is the weekend in my opinion. So it's called Sketch Artist Fridays. And every artwork I did in this sketchbook is all my work. As you can tell, I'm not the best artist, but I still love the artwork I did. I love this drawing right here, one of my favorites, just a cute little girl. And these are the beautiful penguins I drew from Penguin in the Pebble, that movie from the 1990s. I love the cartoon. I love how it's done. And these are the ones I try to draw. Not too bad and not too great either, but I love the color scheme. I love drawing things. And I'm so happy that you guys are watching this video. I hope you enjoy watching Sketch Artist Fridays as much as I want to do these videos. And these are my glam girls, my winter glam girls I drew a while back. Every artwork in this sketchbook I drew probably back in 2005 all the way to right now. Actually, look at this sketch. It's supposed to be a girl with candy. The world of candy is supposed to be called. She's not done yet, you can tell, but I love showing you some sketches that I will show you. I didn't show everything in this book because some things I don't want you to see, and I don't want, something you gotta keep to yourself to get ready to show people. So this is my little cute little wannabe snowman, which is not a snowman. It's actually what do you think it is, guys? I don't know, but it's so cool, right? And I love these snowflakes I made. And these are my Dee Dee's Wonder Globes I do every year, which I didn't do last year. I tried to draw. It was terrible. I said, I'm going to do one this year. I might just do the one from last year and just get it over with and start early. I'm going to do my Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland videos earlier this year. I'm going to start doing them all in June. Every last video is going to be done. So it's going to be so much fun. I love drawing this horse right here. Look at the tail. I love the tail the most. And here's my winter snowman. Yeah, my melted snowman. I just did this a few months ago. Go watch this video right here, you guys, and give me a comment and like it. I know it's not the best artwork in the world, but I love it anyways. I erased way too much, but I still love it anyways, you guys. I love how it turned out. Just draw a little bit better and better, And look at, someone's looking at me. Eyeballs. Somebody's watching me. If you know the kid of the 80s, you know what I'm talking about, that song. I love it. I love drawing eyeballs now. And this wonderful winter mermaid, she was hard to draw. Look at that little creature looking at you with the eyeballs. I love the hearts. And this is a drawn in progress still, you guys. So a lot of artwork you're going to see is still in progress. I still might just do over and draw and make it better. But this is just a hard process to learn how to draw. And I hope you guys are excited about showing you these artworks I did in the past. And it's so much fun to see your old artwork, right? And see how good you got, how bad you got, or how good you can be. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Landscapes. And this is supposed to be a chibi. Yeah, with the big head. But this is me sad. It's supposed to be a broken heart thing. But yeah, I love how she looks. I like her face and hair the most, but she's still a work in progress. As you can see, I've not colored in. Some sketches I probably never color in. There's a bunny. This is spring. This is supposed to be summer right here. And this was a good drawing as well. This is a girl with the seashell outfit. The legs are kind of messed up, but I still love it anyways. And this is the butterfly. I love her so much. I'm still going to redraw her. And then down to hair. I love drawing hair. The hair is so hard to draw, right, you guys? So I hope you're excited about all these videos I'm going to be doing. And if you haven't seen any of my videos, go comment down below and watch some videos, subscribe to my channel, and just have fun looking at all the arts and crafts I do on the channel. I don't just do art, you guys. I do crafting, I do scrapbooking, I do lots of hauls, and it's so much fun to show you all the things. Look at the pumpkin. And some of the drawings I did, I wish I could just draw them over right now, but this is still a sketch right here. I'm still working on this one too. She's a little old one I did a long time ago. I don't know what I was trying to draw with her, but same with her. She's got, I think she's overcolored and not drawn right, but that's all right. Her eyes are pretty blue, and I love it. I got in trouble for making all my characters white for some reason. Here it comes. Peanut Butter Cup. I call her Peanut Butter Cup. She is my character I'm going to work on. She's Peanut Butter Cup with beautiful eyes. I love it. This is so cute. At first, I didn't like this drawing at first because I didn't like how I colored the skin, but I'm getting used to looking at her, but I think she looks great. Once I draw her over a little bit better, oh my goodness, she's going to be so cute. I wouldn't change too much about her. Maybe her legs and maybe her eyes and arms and her hairstyle, but hello, winner. And this is the last of the sketches. So look at the accessories you need. Girl boss, girl boss. I'm a girl boss, so I'm going to be starting my Dee Dee's Crafts business very soon. And I got my girl boss pencil case out, and these are beautiful glittery pens. I love it. I love looking at glitter. Glitter is one of my favorite things to use in crafting and also in drawing. And I love these felt pens that I got. The cute little ladybug cartoon. I'm not going to say the name, but it's really cool. You can go watch the cartoon, you know what I'm talking about. And these are really cool pens I use in my artwork and also in my crafting. And also I've used these in my notebook and also on sketches I use these. Are really cool. They're really pretty. They work very pigment, very beautiful color. My favorite color there is red. And those are the cartoon characters I really love. So it was so much fun doing this, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And this is my other beautiful, new, actually not 2 years old, pencil case I got from Target, back to school section. I love these pens and pencils in here. And these color pencils are here. Kind of, I give them a C- because they're kind of hard to draw with. But I would choose the paper you draw them with. But I have a cool pins that I bought from Barnes & Nobles as well. So those are really cool and amazing. I love everything in this video. Hope you enjoy everything. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Thank you for the 200 subscribers I got. Plus, we're going to do some more videos just like this to help you get excited about art. And I hope you like Sketch Artist Fridays as much as I do. Thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate everything you've done for me so far. And I love this video. Hope we can get this channel past 300 subscribers. And I love everything. And this is me getting my sketch diary out. Get ready to draw. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and thank you for watching. Now get sketchy for watching Sketch Artist Fridays. This week's Sketch Artist Friday was something amazing, you right, guys? I showed you all my old sketches that I did, my old drawings. Some of those drawings I'm gonna redraw and make them better. I love it. I love my journey, my art journey. I love showing you things on my channel. I'm so excited you guys watch these videos, and I'm so excited. I have 200 subscribers. We have made it over 200 subscribers. I'm gonna keep saying that until we get over 300 subscribers. Plus, thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if you really love this video as much as you say you do, don't forget to click down there for subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to click up there for notifications. And don't forget to leave a comment down for my videos just like this. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, you guys. And I'll talk to you in another Sketch Artist Fridays video. I'm trying to get the song down a little bit better because my voice is kind of, you know, sketch it out, you guys. Like Sketch Artist Fridays, but I can't do it. My voice is kind of sore. But it's okay. We're going to get there. Thank you so much for watching this video. And keep crafting no matter what. What?